Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards from MSI, the B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the PRO-B650S Wi-Fi. In this video, we'll dive into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you determine which motherboard is the best choice for your next build. Whether you're a gamer or a productivity user, understanding the differences between these two models will guide you in making an informed decision. The MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi uses the AM4 socket, which is compatible with AMD's Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors. This makes it a great option for budget builds using older CPUs. On the other hand, the MSI PRO-B650S Wi-Fi features the newer AM5 socket, supporting the latest Ryzen 7000 series processors. This difference in socket compatibility is crucial for users planning to upgrade their CPUs in the future. When it comes to memory, the B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi supports DDR4 RAM, allowing for configurations up to 128 GB. This is sufficient for most users, especially those on a budget. In contrast, the PRO-B650S Wi-Fi supports the newer DDR5 memory, which offers higher speeds and improved performance, but at a higher cost. Users should consider their performance needs and budget when choosing between these two memory types. Network connectivity is another important factor. The MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi comes with integrated Wi-Fi 5, which is adequate for most users but may not provide the fastest speeds. In contrast, the PRO-B650S Wi-Fi features Wi-Fi 6E, offering faster wireless speeds and improved performance in crowded environments. Additionally, the B650S includes a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN connection, making it a better choice for users who require high-speed wired networking. In conclusion, both the MSI B550M PRO-VDH Wi-Fi and the MSI PRO-B650S Wi-Fi motherboards have their strengths. The B550M is a budget-friendly option for users looking to build a system with older Ryzen processors, while the B650S offers the latest technology and features for those willing to invest more. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.